A group of 6 individuals were heading towards the Manitoba border.
Officials released video of illegal migrants being intercepted along Canada's borders. Thermal images captured by an RCMP plane last month show 6 people crossing on foot being detained near a Manitoba border crossing. On Monday, 4 adults and 5 children were found crossing the Coutts border on foot carrying suitcases.
I think the key part of this is the humanity part of that as well. We have young children that are crossing, adults that are crossing in -30 weather, not counting the wind chill.
There was also a deadly incident yesterday morning at the Coutts border crossing. Mounties say the man was referred to secondary inspection, but instead of stopping, he kept driving. Police chased him and deployed a tire deflation device to stop the vehicle. The man then ran away and later died after shooting himself.
We have the partnerships, the technology, and the resources in place to respond to the border and stop illegal activity.